Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious peppered yam or yam in pepper sauce. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching. So here we have yam. The first thing you're going to do is to cut and peel the yam. Next, you wash the yam. And salt the yam. The next thing you're going to do is to heat up the oil and fry the yam. So the yam is okay. Transfer to a sieve to drain oil. Next we have pepper and onion. We're going to blend this together. So here is the blended pepper and onion. What you're going to do is to reduce the oil. Then add chopped onions and saute for 3 minutes. Add the onion and pepper blend. Then you cover and leave until the water dries up. So as you guys can see, the water is almost absorbed. Add some grated nutmeg, seasoning cube, curry leaves, You can reduce the pepper sauce considering the quantity of yam you have. So here is fried cow kidney. Then you add little of the cow kidney stock. Add salt. Next, add the fried yam. So incorporate the yam in the sauce. Our delicious peppered yam is almost ready, like ready. Guys, see, you're going to love this recipe. This is another way to make yam, like another way to enjoy your yam. Guys, this was heavenly, like heavenly. I know you're going to love this recipe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to please like, share, and as well subscribe. Don't forget to also leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching and bye.